Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it contains a very beautifully designed pattern, design ideas of hand embroidery that would simply blow your mind and that are hard to believe that these are absolute patterns made by hand embroidery. Absolutely stunning, stylish and unique ideas of hand embroidery, specially designed for beginners as well as for embroidery artists, embroidery lovers. And all you have to do is kindly do follow these exact patterns, these color combinations, and you will amazed to see the entire pattern. Now the best and the most important question is that where you can use these patterns. The answer to this very complex and confusing question is very easy, that wherever you want to, you can design these patterns for designing your dress designs, for your home decor stuff like your pillow covers, cushion covers, for hoop art, for making a very beautiful and artistic style hand embroidered art gallery of your own. You can design a wall of your own house with the very beautiful and exquisite blend of handmade hand embroidered stuff. You can use these as designing a funky and floral designer style dress ideas like this Punjabi hand embroidery couple, like very beautiful mini floral patterns for a very beautiful hand embroidery inspired, real life nature inspired botanical look. I hope that my today's video has a very wide variety of simple, easy to make, beautiful and exquisite color combination based easy patterns with a delicate and beautiful blend and mixture of 3D hand embroidery patterns. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could be notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. On my channel you can watch and get a crazy and stylish wide variety of design ideas related to hand art, women fashion, dress designing and much more related to the women fashion world. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you really like these designs, and hope to see you soon back on my channel with a new video in a new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves and thank you so much for watching the video.